How to host N8N on DigitalOcean. First, go to DigitalOcean website and log into your account with email and password. Then go to this project. Then click here. And then click on this. Scroll down and click on Marketplace. Select this Docker. Then select your package from here. Check the box on Enable Automated Backup Plan. Then choose Authentication Method. Create password. Next, click Create Droplet. Then click here and Domains. Enter domain and click on Add Domain. Then enter hostname. Click on Create Record. That's it. Thanks for watching.